How does your phone charger convert AC to DC? The answer starts with one tiny component, the diode. A diode allows current to flow in only one direction. It has an anode and a cathode, marked by a stripe. It blocks current in the opposite direction. Think of it as a one-way valve for electricity.
This is a schematic diode symbol. In forward bias, current flows freely. Reverse bias blocks the flow. This creates a one-way street for current.
A diode is made by joining two semiconductors, a p-type and an n-type. Together they form a p-n junction with a depletion region. This acts as a barrier. When the anode is connected to the positive terminal and the cathode connects to the negative, the barrier at the p-n junction decreases. The diode is now completely on. When the anode is connected to the negative terminal and the cathode connects to the positive, the barrier increases, blocking current flow. The diode is now completely off.
Types of diodes. Physical appearance. Symbol. Description. Applications. Shown in image. Applications. Advantages. Allows current in only one direction. Converts AC to DC. Protects electronic circuits. Small size and low cost. Highly reliable. Long operating life. Disadvantages. Has a forward voltage drop. Sensitive to high temperatures. Can be damaged if the reverse voltage exceeds its maximum rating.
Welcome to Electronics Explorer. Make sure to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment with what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, everyone!